Hey kids, I'm wanting to show you today how to use Cami to write exponents and fractions. Okay, so we've got a worksheet here, and the first problem they're asking you to finish writing the product property of exponents. And as the other video tells you, it's equal to a to the m plus n, right? If you've got the same base, you add the exponents. So in order to write a to the m plus n, I'm going to go over here and click the equation tool. And then I'm going to click the little pi so I can see the symbols, right? Okay. Now I'm going to click over here because this is where I want to start typing. And I'm going to go ahead and type a because that's the first thing I want to do. But now I want to write an exponent next to the a. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to click the little hat. Now I happen to have a little hat up here in the green because Cami, I've used it before, and Cami will put the ones you've used before on top to make it easier for you. But here's where the hat lives, down here. So if you click that, while I click it, look over here. I'm going to click, ready, boom. See how the cursor moved? And now I can type m plus n, and I'm going to be a good girl and use parentheses, right? M plus n close parentheses. Okay, and it's not really where I want it to be. I want it to be up higher, but it's easier to move it after you type it. So if you just click back in the box, you see how that little gray thing happened? So you can grab over here the drag part, the drag tool, and then it just moves it up. Boom. Okay, so that's exponents. Now let's do fractions. So the answer to this one, this is the, we'll do number 5. This is the power of a quotient property. So this is going to be equal to a to the m over b to the m, right? So again, I'm using the equation tool, so I'm going to click around where I want to start and a box will appear. And I want to use a fraction right now. So I'm going to come back here and click the fraction tool, which looks like this. And now you see it created a little purple bar and the cursor's on the top and the bottom. So I want A on the top and I want B on the bottom. So I'm just clicking and typing. Now I'm going to go back to this A. I want to put an exponent on the A, right? So I'm going to click the hat and now I can type the M. And then if I go to the B, I'm going to click the hat again and then I can type the M again. And now I'm going to click once more in the box. This little thing appears and I can move it. It doesn't really fit, but I could change, I could change the pixels. I could make it a little smaller to make it fit if I wanted to. Let's see if I do 16. Try that. Boom. Yeah, see, it got a little better. Okay, that's it, kiddos. Love ya.